Every model element in a Revit project file must either be placed, if it occupies a single location in a model, such as a specific light fixture, or sketched, if it covers a specific area, such as a pipe. Placing model objects is quite simple. You simply position the cursor where you want the object and click. Because they have length, pipes are placed by first locating the start point and then the end point for each pipe segment. In essence, you draw a line to indicate each pipe segment. For example, to place a pipe on the Systems ribbon in the Plumbing and Piping panel, I'll click the Pipe tool. When I do, the ribbon changes to the Modify Place Pipe contextual ribbon. On the status bar, I can see that Revit is prompting me to click to enter the pipe's start point. I'll click to locate the starting point of the pipe and then click to locate the end of the pipe. When I click to locate the end of the pipe, the start point of the next segment is also created. Now I can sketch another pipe segment or press Escape to enter a new starting point for the pipe. To end the command, I can either click the Modify button or press the Escape key. Other model elements that are sketched to specify their length are ducts, cable trays, and conduit. Walls are also created by sketching lines. Model elements such as air terminals, mechanical equipment, plumbing fixtures, and lighting fixtures are standalone objects that can be placed anywhere by simply clicking. However, some of these objects can be hosted elements. In that case, they must be placed on the host. For example, lighting fixtures and air terminals can be created as ceiling hosted. On the Systems ribbon, in the HVAC panel, I'll click Air Terminal. When I do, the ribbon changes to the Modify Place Air Terminal contextual ribbon. I can also see a plan view of the air terminal attached to my cursor in the drawing area. Revit is simply prompting me to click to place an instance. Each time I click, an instance of the air terminal is added to the project. I'll click the Modify button to end the command. I'll switch to the 1-lighting plan by double-clicking the view in the project browser. Now I'll click Lighting Fixture on the electrical panel of the Systems ribbon. Notice that when I start the tool, the cursor looks a bit different. It appears as a not possible symbol. This is because the light fixture family is a hosted family. You can identify hosted families if the placement panel appears in the contextual ribbon. As you can see, we can choose to place on vertical face, place on face, or place on work plane. When I choose Place on Work Plane, I can select the placement plane in the options bar, and then click to place an instance of the light fixture. Now, the light fixture will update with the selected plane. I'll click Modify to end the command. Realize that as you place various types of model objects, the tools in the contextual ribbon and in the options bar will change to provide tools specific to the type of object you're adding. And the Properties palette and Type selector will also change so that you can select the specific type of element.